This is the Roomba J7 Plus, and I replaced an i3 with this, and I'm very happy with how much faster it has the light and the camera, so it can keep itself out of trouble. It's going in here to clean the bedroom, and there it goes. I got dogs, the dog trainers. We have a lot of hair, a lot of dog dander, and I tell you, this thing is getting to work out, but carpets look great when it's done. Definitely keeps up with my dogs and the sand. We're here by the water. So here we are coming back this way, and it does a really good job on its pattern. You can see it's kind of overlapping, and then it'll come down here and turn, and I'm just really happy with the cleaning that it's doing.